Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, I was trying to cut this. And as you saw there, it did not want to cut very well. I tried pushing it through first and that didn't work at all. Then I tried putting this through here and actually kind of using it like that, and that didn't seem to work. So I've seen a few angle cutter type ideas that I'm gonna try and build now. Not gonna lie, it's getting warm on the fingers here. Let this one sit for a while. That sort of worked. Definitely gonna need some cleanup, so I might need to make them whiter so I can clean them up better. I'm gonna try and see if I can't hold this on here without just a little bit more steady probably, but for the most part it seems to kind of be working. It'll get the job done I need it to do for now. Well, that was kind of proof of concept there. Definitely worked perfectly. I don't think so, but it worked. Now I got to clean those up, and I got some stuff on my razor I'm doing, so go check out my razor playlist if you want to see what I'm doing with these. So I think that sort of worked. Definitely got more work to do on it, but right now I just need to get this project done I'm working on, so I'm not too worried about perfecting that. You can take that, run with it all you want. It's fairly simple to do. Highly recommend putting the clamp on before you burn your fingers, but otherwise it worked. It gives me just another way I can use this thing. I'll probably keep that. I'll probably improve on it later on when I have some time, but for now I can cut round stuff a little easier. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and obviously master of none. You all have a good one.